Is your 2013-2018 Jaguar XF key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the likely culprit. The fix is simple and saves money compared to a dealership visit. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. The key fob battery replacement for Jaguar XF models between 2013 and 2018 remains consistent. There have been no major recalls or redesigns specifically for the key fobs during these years. A CR2032 battery typically costs $5 to $10 online or at auto parts stores. A low battery can cause intermittent signals and security risks. Let's get started. First, locate the small seam on the back of the key fob. Carefully pry it open, avoiding excessive force to prevent damage. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive plus side orientation. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing the same way. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the key fob functions: lock, unlock, and panic button. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation or consult a dealer. Remember to recycle old batteries properly. Wearing gloves is also a good safety measure to avoid skin contact with battery acid. For optimal performance, use OEM or reputable battery brands to avoid corrosion. This DIY fix is beginner-friendly and will have your key fob working like new.